So in my search for a better battery, I've came across this ugreen lithium polymer battery for the iPhone 6s. So I was really curious with this, being it was specifically branded by ugreen. Anyway, if we open up the box, we see their new looking battery, which I'm not 100% sure looks new. Hopefully new cells, but I'm not 100% certain on that one. So underneath the battery, we get a little instruction manual, all in Chinese, which I was quite surprised to see how in detail this actual guide went. Granted, it isn't really a replacement for a YouTube video, but it's still quite handy. We've also got a little product warranty card, some stickers which I never usually use, suction cup, some good quality tweezers, which I've definitely got a pair of these floating around, so another one sounds good. And we have various screwdrivers from there, pry tools. So overall, a pretty professional looking kit. But my biggest query with this is whether or not the battery itself is what it says it is in quality, which I'll connect up to the battery tester soon, and we'll soon see that. So connecting it up to my battery tester proved to be simple and straightforward, as all batteries are, but one thing I find quite surprising, this is a battery for an iPhone 6s. The build date on there is 2014, which definitely predates the release date of these phones. So I find that quite odd as to why that is the case. So I'm hoping that they've used an older controller for the actual cells, but have put new cells in this, which I'm left a bit skeptical, so some further testing will be needed to hopefully figure out how accurate the battery life of these batteries are, but for an overall install kit it does look good. I'm always on the hunt for a decent quality replacement battery, which of course Apple won't sell us, which is pretty shit. But overall, I'll just let the video play out from here. See ya.